Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video guys, nandito tayo sa Barangay Anuling Cerca Mendez, around 8 minutes to Tagaytay po, and we have here last 10 lots, no? And undergoing development po siya. Yung mga lots is nandito lang po, tapos na yung mga kalsada, ginagawa na po yung mga sidewalk. Ayan po. So right now it's 1 PM and very good po yung ating weather dito. Ayan po guys, so undergoing development. And yung mga available lots dito guys is pwede siya palagyan ng any house design or pabakuran, no? Ayan, may mga muhon na yung iba. Ayan, dito gagawin yung ating parks and playground. Ayan. Kasya yung mga big cars like pick up going to this property or truck, no? So Walong Barangay Road, pag diniretso nyo yan, going to Tagaytay is around 8 minutes, no? So yan, may mga available tayo dito guys, last 10 lots, no? For only 8.5 per square meter. Ayan, free transfer of title na din po siya. And yeah, any house design, may mga house po dito. Meron din pong kuryente and tubig. And napakalaki po ng concrete road. Ayan po, kung mapapansin nyo. Ayan. And the weather dito guys, pag nakapunta kayo dito ng mga 5 PM and above, no? So, very cold weather and peaceful po. And they have signal for the internet dito. Siguro para mas ma-appreciate nyo siya and malocate nyo, is I will show you yung drone shot ng ating property para mas makita nyo and makita nyo siya kung gaano siya kalapit sa Tagaytay. And yung bayan, nandyan lang, may mga hospital, school, and many more. So yeah, I will show you the drone shot in 3, 2, 1. Ito po siya. So ito guys, yung ating property. Ayan, malalaki po yung concrete roads, 10 and 8 meters po siya. Magkakaroon ng mga parks and playground, multipurpose hall, and there will be lines for electricity and water, no? And along Barangay Road lang po yung property. Ang kagandahan guys, going to Tagaytay is around 8 minutes lamang po. And if you are going to the bayan ng Mendez, is very near lang din siya to the hospital, Macdo Church, and many more. So ito guys, may available tayo dito ng mga lots na 150 square meter, no? It's for the 8.5 per square meter promo po siya. Free transfer of title na din. And basta makapag payment na po yan 50% is pwede na po yan magpabakod or magpagawa ng any house design. So yan siya guys, undergoing development yung ating concrete road sa ibang part. But dito guys, yung iba tapos na po and nilalagyan na ng sidewalk. And i-level din po yung ating mga lot for the turnover. Ayan, kung mapapansin nyo guys, napaka-tahimik po dito sa area na to. This is located Barangay Anuling Cerca 1, Mendez, Cavite. And if you will see guys, ito pong ating property, it's actually 510 meters above sea level. Kaya naman po malamig yung weather dito. Almost same ng Tagaytay, no? And hindi po siya binabaha dahil nga mataas yung kanyang elevation. And yan guys, may mga available tayo dito na magkakatabi na 150 square meter, no? And ang requirements po is to valid IDs. Ayan siya. So, dito naman guys, meron ng kuryente and water, and there is LTE signal po if you're looking for internet. And kasya po yung mga truck or big SUV and cars. Ayan. And meron din Shopee and Lazada. So, dito guys, may 150 square meter na magkatalikuran. Kung gusto nyo yan, para dalawang may kalsada po yung frontage nyo. So, ayun guys, if you are actually interested in this one, nandiyan naman po yung number ko, no? If you are interested. And this one naman guys, after down payment is yung remaining balance is 3 years naman po siya, 0% interest. So no worries naman po tayo dyan. So wala po dito mga swimming pool or clubhouse, no? Mga sample natin ng mga finished projects. So no required house design po siya. As you can see, depende po sa owner kung ano yung gusto nyo ipatayo na house. Ayan. So different designs po yan. Magkakaiba po yung mga bubong. And pwede rin po magpagawa sa contractor nyo. And yan guys, may mga linya na rin yung na Meralco for electricity. And meron na rin siyang water. At makikita nyo guys, malapad yung mga concrete roads dyan. Ayan. So perfect na perfect siya for the getaway property. Meron ding basketball court. Merong multi-purpose hall and playground. Na talagang perfect na perfect para sa small family or you are with your kids. Para healthy living. Actually, maganda rin mag-walking dito. Lalo pagka madaling araw is naghahamog po dito. Dahil this property, ito pong develop na project natin, is just around 8 minutes to Tagaytay boundary, no? Kaya napakalamig po talaga ng weather niya.